Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you how to master pentatonic licks in 2 strings. Show reel. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to talk about pentatonic licks in 2 strings. So first of all, we got to talk about the pentatonic scale. All right? So we're going to talk about this one in particular. I think you guys that are heavy metalheads, you're familiar with this solo. So we're going to start talking about the pentatonic scale, but this lick too, this one. So first of all, we're going to talk about the pentatonic scale. And we're going to take part of that to create our licks. So we're going to take this part of the scale to do licks. All right? So licks, you can play the same notes, but in different order. That means, for example, you can do this. That's a very classic one. And that one is as follows. You do a full bend on the 15th fret on the 2nd string. And then you play with your index finger the E note on the 12th fret. And then when you come back, you play 15, 12, and then 15 full again. And that's the whole cycle. So your right hand is doing down and down again on the 1st string, and then doing it down, pull off, and down and down again. That's what you're doing with your right hand. So to get it up to speed, you will have to practice very hard and take the time to listen that you're doing the bend up to pitch. Second lick that you can do with this pentatonic scale. You're playing 15 fret, then 12. And then the same pattern on the 2nd string. And you come back. And then your right hand is going to do down, and then the 2nd string, down, up, down. It's good that you can do that with legato. And you can do that one too. Could be. And then. So to continue with that one, you do and then you shift to 17, 14, 17, 14. And you come back. 14, 17, 14, 17. And then you do 19, 15, 19, 15 on the second string, and then 15, 19, 15, 19 on the first string. Subscribe, give me your thumbs up, and see you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. Show reel!